Washington State University has numerous places that cars like to drive. They're called streets. In this video, I'm going to show you how to master one of the most critical skills you need while being a student here at WSU.
How to use a crosswalk!
This is a crosswalk. It's designed for humans like yourself to use to get from this side of the street to that side of the street. To use one, just remember this simple mnemonic device. W.
F. Find the nearest crosswalk. A. Approach the crosswalk. L. Look for the button that activates the signal. M. Move your hand to the button. P. Press the button. L. Look both ways to make sure the cars are stopping. W. Walk across the street. Congratulations! You did it!
So now you can share this video with your friends who don't know how to use a crosswalk. So how did the chicken cross the road? It used a crosswalk.